Good day guys, welcome. In this video I'm showing you how to use motion tracking on CapCut on PC. So go ahead and add the video to the timeline. Alright guys, and now to start tracking, you just pretty much choose from where you want to begin. So for example, you just split the video in here, and then say we want to go up until the face is disappearing into here. So this is going to be our portion of the video to which we will add tracking to. And then you go to pretty much. And now we need to add some kind of text, for example, into here. And then just be sure to, of course, make it as big and as long as our portion of the video. So like this. And then you go to tracking into here and then choose tracking. And now in your video, you just want to go ahead and make it a little smaller so that you can see more, and then go into the beginning and then you paste this text. And then you go tracking again, and in here, you choose this little piece of interface and put it on the face, and then press on start. Now it's going to track the video, as you can see, pretty awesome. And now if we play it back, as you can see, now our text is being tracked to the face. Not precisely everywhere though, but you can also adjust it later. And this is pretty much how it's done, guys. So enjoy. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.